laptop and accessories. What you see, anything about computer, anything about laptop, no. O quantity Gilogel solution. Osamba kama. They do omo delay in hardware and software. Hardware and software. Sana dianete. They repair, unlocking, repairing, selling of the laptop, brand new. They open is anything about computer, anything at all about computer. Offer Gilogel solution. Number na good screen also no. Offer bakona offer. Nobody come. You get your things at affordable price. What you see? You get things, computer accessories, everything at affordable price. Auntie, friend number no. We number ne your friends him. Ghana no Ghana code na come. Auntie +233 +233 245182 and I say +233 555 me bona bana biom +233 245182 and I say +233 5585023131 Gilogel solution. Anything about computer offer one osamba kama na afi bibia akoye. Now we product of CSF. What you see? Product of CSF. Te anuso o kontatia osama kabi kama na we use o za identity. Te offer o t-shirt. You have t-shirt, they have how do you call it? Product in a good screen also no. Product in a good screen also no. So you have wristband. Enu bi no pair. Offer nipa over contacting on the number and or Yusuf. Or screen also kama. 054 3215 open wristband, t-shirt, and a cap. Osamba kama. Bakuna common sense family leader. Anona washeno Avram Bimoche. I say F15 kama. No the Joe swag. So they offer Joe swag. Also identity. T. Ani. What you say? Yeah, we shall for true telling time. Brain at work. Mamuni na akwaba edeba jumedieno so. Te abusia am say yama yinyina ya tia sese ye no ye ntan ubia otiase. We don't hate anybody. You know say that the anything no sa na ye kono. We don't hate anybody. Nti am say baby me catch am say ye lesson about the Bible. Say ye lesson and ye kasatia Bible and say ye kasatia Bible. Say when we are pointing at the mistake, the fault in the Bible, no the Muslim will be on the show and be typing more fire. When they forgot that as we go with the Bible, the same way we will go with the Quran. Now that we have started talking about the Quran, we are pointing at the fault, mistake, contradictions, and the lies in the Quran. No, and a branch here, your friend Alidu, no. Omwa creative page. Se page no onwa na host you. Se yadien omwa creative page bia ya tunedi the lies of CSF. No problem. Me dey na catch am say se me da koba dia me ye my mistake and no catch am say nabi asemo yi wakasam bi na entisa. You have done a great thing in my life. I have to thank you for alerting me, for drawing my attention to the mistake I have committed. So that page they have created, lies of CSF, no, I don't have problem with it. Now, the man wanna say, instead of them to teach us the lies of CSF, no, they are rather contradicting themselves. they don't even have any lies about CSF. Nti brother Bako, I'm saying next topic na say Alidu, another shame to Islam. Topic na say Alidu, another shame to Islam. Alidu say Avram bin Moshe waka assembly na di Avram kaino no entisa nti onu Alidu nankasa oba bekre Avram said the identity aye Quran chapter 41 the verse number 9 to 12 nti yema Alidu onkasa Alidu kase wia ne ya hu bebia no kra na de ewo nti abusua yenhwe.
Okay, my name is Imam Khalid and I'm going to teach Abraham concerning Quran 41 verses 9 to 12. According to Abraham, that this ayah or this verse is contradictory. That Allah created earth 2 days, mountains and everything that is in it 4 days, then seven heaven 2 days, which is 8 days. So when the Quran says that fi arbat ayyam, he thought that the Quran is talking about 4 days more. So he then added the 4 days more to the 2 days, which he got 6. Then he then added the 2, which gave him 8, which is wrong. But the Quran is talking about arbat ayyam, which is 2 days more. 2 days more. That's Sunday, Monday is 2 days. Tuesday, Wednesday gave you 4 days, which is 4 days. Then Thursday, Friday give you 2 days. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 gave you 6. In Arabic or in Arabian pencil, their week do start on Sunday. Their week start on Sunday. It does not start on Monday. So Yom al-Ahad, Yom al-Isnain means Yawmain. Yoma Sulasa, Yoma Arba. So the Quran said Yoma Arba. Yoma Arba means 4 days. 4 days. So that means 2 days, you get 2 days, then it will make 4. Because when we talk about Yoma Arba, it means that apart from these 2 days, there is 2 days again. So these 2 days will be included. Meaning you are going to plus these 2 days plus this one, then it will give you 4 days. So that's what the Quran wants you to understand. That's what we mean by Yawm al-Arba'a in Arabic. It means on Wednesday, on 4 days. That's what the Quran wants you to understand. It's not that the Quran wants to tell you that the 4 days is different from the 2. I don't know what you mean. So when we say your mind and we come into Yawm al-Arba'a, it means that there is some 2 days that you are going to what? Add it to the 2 days, to the first 2 days, then you get what you mean by what? 4 days. That's what the Quran is telling you, that on 4 days. It means Yom Arba.
Yes, Alidu has finished teaching Avram bin Moshe. Na ye be cheki, na ye say problem no, ye Alidu ena onti Quran nase, anase ye yen ena yenti Quran nase. Alidu, the verse from the Quran he himself is teaching is Quran chapter 41, the verse number 9 to 12. Ebusia ansana meko hono no. Say it is the story is about creation of the universe. Nti me stati from the Bible, na me wie with the Quran. Genesis, ye check it with the Bible. How many days the God of the Bible used to create this universe? Ye check it. Genesis chapter 1, the verse number 31. Ye book Bible say God looked at everything he has made and he was pleased with everything. Evening passed and morning came. That was the 6th day. That was the 6th day. Genesis chapter 1 verse 31. God looked at everything that he has made and he was very pleased. Evening passed and the morning came. That was the 6th day. chapter 2, Genesis chapter 2, verse 1. And so the whole universe was completed by the sixth day. The whole universe was completed. I'm say Bible story na dey. Sunday school. Yenim dada say, 6 days. Ena Yahweh or the creator ewiase. Yamba Quran what you say? Quran wa make it claim bi. Nti yemfa sa claim nansa. Quran chapter 2, the verse number 91. Yen share there. Verse 91. When they are told, believe in what Allah has revealed, they say, we believe in what was revealed to us, while they deny the truth in what has been sent down after that, even though it is the truth, confirming that which they already have. Quran say, when the Jews and the Christians were told to believe in the Quran, they said no, we already have Bible, so we will not believe in the Quran. Meanwhile, the Quran has come to confirm the Bible that the Christian and the Jews already have. That is Quran chapter 2, verse 91. Accepted. Ali do say Quran chapter 41, verse 9 to 12 no. 6 days. Me pamocho bebre calculation wa hono no. 6 days. Abusuya me sample video no to give you the chance to get your pen and the paper. Say you read here no wa calculate. What you say? Now yenti we Quran chapter 7 verse 54. Aha no ba 6 days. Na ya share there. Quran 7 verse 54. Allah kasa. Why? Verse 54. Ahana muntiu. Ahano ene chrese Allah on the 6 days. Ene boy yase. Nti munti. Your Lord is God, who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, into bracket periods, and then settled himself firmly on the throne. Nti Quran chapter 7 verse 54. Allah created the whole universe in 6 days. Accepted. Afi yenko alidu na quotation also. I know that by now your pen and the paper are ready. Yenko ho na check it. Alidu, you are another shame to Islam. May come at you. May come at you plain. Verse 9. Ahana muntio. Ebia me da koba. Me inti story na se. Inti meso me on me pen. Quran 41 verse 9. Say, what? Do you indeed deny him who created the earth in 2 days, into bracket period? Inti 2 days. Allah created the earth in 2 days. So write 2. Nti mama so ntro me die no. So 8 2 days. 2 days. That is 8. I continue. I restart from there so that you'll understand it. Quran chapter 41 verse 9. Or say, what? Do you indeed deny him who created the earth in 2 days period, and do you set up equal with him? He is the Lord of the universe. Verse 10. He placed firm mountains on the earth and blessed it. He measured out its means of sustenance all in 4 days. Ebusuya, otibrofo. I'm reading the verse 10. Quran 41 verse 10. Or say, he placed firm mountains on the earth and blessed it. He measured out its means of sustenance all in 4 days. Nti 4 days e share hono me pamocho. Eye creation and eye measurement. Story na say Allah obo asase in 2 days. and the mountains and the go assassin so and or measure again say it mountains never be. So if the measurement is about the mountain, they'll say and he measured out their means. We know who say he is talking about the mountain, but Quran say and he measured out its means. So it is talking about the earth. So Allah created the earth in 2 days, placed mountains on the earth, and measured the earth in 4 days. It is 4 days and your creation and your measurement. So don't add it to it. What then I say? Ali do that 4 days and your creation and your measurement. So the 4 days there cannot be added to the creation numbers. It is still Allah created the earth in 2 days and measure it for 4 days. It is 4 days and your creation. Ye tuaso obahun senchirene. Honey. So me san kan bio me pese let's way and clear. I want this lesson to be clear for all the Islamic denominations. Bini Hari Sunat Ejani or whatever. So say, what do you indeed deny him who created the earth in 2 days? And do you set up equal with him? He is the Lord of the universe. He placed firm mountains on the earth and blessed it. He measured out its means of sustenance all in 4 days. This is for those who ask for it. This is for those who ask for it. Verse 11. Then he turned to the heavens when it was vapor and said to it and to the earth, come willingly or unwillingly. They both said, we come willingly. Verse 12. And in 2 days he formed 7 heavens and revealed to each heaven its function, and we adorn the lower heaven with brilliant lamps and guarded it. That is the decree of the Almighty, the all-knowing. Nti ebusia ma membo ne tofa say menim say alidu ohwe Quran chapter 41 the verse number 9. Allah created the earth in 2 days. Allah used 2 days to create the earth, and Allah used 2 days to create the 7th heavens. It's 2 plus 2 is 4. Now in the verse 10, Allah used 4 days to measure the earth. Mepamocho way enye creation. This indeed is not creation. Weigh your measurement. Let's get all the numbers there. Allah created the earth 2 days. He measured the earth 4 days. 2 plus 4, 6. Now he created the 7 heavens in 2 days. All the count are saying 2 plus 4 plus 2 about 8. But the 4 is fin hono and creation. And creation. And your measurement. According to Quran chapter 41, the verse number 9 to 12, Allah used 4 days to create earth and heaven. And no. And yes, so Alidu, you are trying to dodge sense in this verse. You are another shame to Islam. Make a match. Make catch your plane. What you say? Only baby 6 days no afi nkramofo na montie baby obenya 6 days no eye Quran chapter 7 verse 54 hona 6 days na dey ehye nti ono kwa contradiction. What you say? We kwa another contradiction in the Quran. Alidu, if you try to disprove science, you will end up exposing your stupidity. Yes, that is true 10 times quote. Always I say, if you try to disprove science, you will end up becoming a fool. You will end up exposing your stupidity. Allah created the whole world in 6 days, and your Lord is God, who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days. Quran chapter 7, the verse, Quran chapter 7, the verse number 54. Quran 41, verse 9 to 12. Allah created the earth and the heavens in 4 days, because 2 days for the earth, 2 days for the 7 heavens. But the 4 days now is share 50 honono or the measure asase. This, of course, is not a creation but a measurement. Moshe Alidu so chere Abraham adie.
Imam Khalid, and I'm going to teach Abraham concerning Quran 41 verses 9 to 12. According to Abraham, that this ayah or this verse that Allah created earth 2 days, mountains and everything that is in it 4 days, then seven heaven 2 days, which is 8 days. So when the Quran says that fi arbat ayyam, he thought that the Quran is talking about 4 days more. So he then added the 4 days more to the 2 days, which he got 6. Then he then added the 2, which gave him 8, which is wrong. But the Quran is talking about arbat ayyam, which is 2 days more. 2 days more. That's mean Sunday, Monday is 2 days. Tuesday, Wednesday gave you 4 days. 4 days, which is 4 days. Then Thursday, Friday give you 2 days. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 gave you 6. In Arabic or in Arabian Peninsula, their week do start on Sunday. Their week start on Sunday. It does not start on Monday. So Yom al-Ahad, Yom al-Isnain means Yawmain. Yom al-Sulasa, Yom al-Arba. So the Quran said Yom al-Arba. Yom al-Arba means 4 days. 4 days. So that means 2 days. You get 2 days, then it will make 4. Because when we talk about Yom al-Arba, it means that apart from these 2 days, there is 2 days again. So these 2 days will be included. Meaning you are going to plus these 2 days plus this one. Then it will give you 4 days. So that's what the Quran wants you to understand. That's what we mean by Yawm al-Arba'a in Arabic. It means on Wednesday, on 4 days. That's what the Quran wants you to understand. So it's not that the Quran wants to tell you that the 4 days is different from the 2. I know you're getting me. So when we say your mind and we come into Yom Arba, it means that there is some 2 days that you are going to what? Add it to the 2 days, to the first 2 days, then you get what we mean by what? 4 days. That's what the Quran is telling you on 4 days. It means Yom Arba.
Mwen we se obetre Avram adie. Ampa Alidu can teach Avram, Alidu can teach Dakoba, but not when it comes to the Quran. Not when it comes to the Quran. Not when it comes to the Quran. What you say? Alidu can teach Avram, Alidu can teach Dakoba, but not the Quran. Wo Alidu onti mi trayen Quran. What you say? Nitino o kan Quran chapter 41. Alidu so o tremono. The Quran chapter 41, the verse number 9. Alidu say or the trayen adiano no. O kanya Allah created the universe in 4 days. Enye 6. Enye 6. Enye 4. Only calculate Quran 41 verse 9. Say, what? Do you indeed deny him who created the earth in 2 days? And do you set up equal with him? He is the Lord of the universe. Verse 10. He placed firm mountains on the earth. He placed firm mountains on the earth. We are creation. He placed mountains on the earth. See. And bless it. He measured out its ITS a your possession case. So he measured out its and create and confusion Alidu measurement of the earth no was found their creation no he measured out its means of sustenance, all in 4 days. This is for those who ask for it. Nti we cry explanation. Mo bisa ekwan a ye de biane be si asase so a. And almost say Allah on measure in 4 days. And this is for those who ask for it. And I into us verse 11. Then he turned to the heaven when it was vapor and said to it and to the earth, come willingly or unwillingly. And they both said, the earth and the heaven, they both said, we come willingly. After verse 12. And in 2 days he formed 7 heavens and revealed to each heaven its function. I'm saying it is nasaba. Nti Allah revealed to each of the 7 heavens the function it has to play. Way a 6 day creation. Way a 4 days creation. And a Bible, Genesis chapter 1, the verse number 31. God used 6 days to create. Genesis chapter 1, the verse number 31. God created the universe in 6 days. And Quran chapter 7, the verse number 54. Quran 7:54. Allah created all things in 6 days. Yebedu Quran chapter 41, the verse number 9 to 12. Allah created everything in 4 days. We contradiction we and nobody now say or the chinade. Ali do we or your man kalanta teacher anka obi en convert en call Islam. Mekatrem Ali do we. If he is a Mankalanta teacher, nobody will go to Mankalanta. Meme from a bank of Mankalanta no will go to Nadia. Masainti Alidu Mesaka Alidu where they are. Oh, Shadia Cremofo man. The other Masalachi. Alidu Mesanka and 101, the same team in the Vero. Funny.
Ya Allah. Ya Allah, the Mabukio, Amalati Five, Ya Allah. يا الله دعوت كبراجه وننزل من القرآن ما والشفاء ورحمة للمؤمنين ولا يزيد الظالمين إلا خسارا بإذن إخوائي أيضا كجداي بكريوا لا هرزي شيء بإذن إخوائي بإذن ما يعلمي نيا كبابي لا
ياري أوزيا مو والدو
يا الله يا الله دمار بكريو وعملياتي فايبل يا الله يا الله دعوت كبراجه وننزل من القرآن ما والشفاء ورحمة للمؤمنين ولا يزيد الظالمين إلا خسارا بإذن إخوائي أي دمار كجداي بكريوا لا هرزي شيء بإذن إخوائي بإذن ما يعلمي نيا كبابي لا
Abuzia. Aha. This is what we gonna do to Alido when we meet. Ne ya bora pempem, ne ya bonyansa kakra bi e de corner dwem. Why? Nti Alido, it is true you can teach Avram. O ti ase, obetimi a kire Avram ade. Me Jacoba, obetimi a kire ade. But enye Quran, ene me kama san kana biom. Nkremofo aya ye kag want to pay no say o Kosia Arabic Quran. You cannot say Kosia Arabic Quran. Many of you, we know you can only recite the Quran in Arabic. You can't speak Arabic language. Many of you can recite the Quran. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Wait, la ilaha illallah, inshallah, obi kura ka inshallah on tiase, obi ho your friend Musa, onima ni adekura your friend Musa. Obi your friend Musa, onima dia your friend Musa. Nti for the fact say otimi recite book we ewo Arabic language mo no, enu na nche say otimi kan Arabic. Me tama ye join Jew for no. Tama ye join Jew for no, yetimi eyewe tama ye join Jew for no ye yetimi every sati onyama na bi awo we mu awo Hebrew mu what you say everything say Shema Israel Adonai Elohenu Adonai Elha what you say Baruch Hashem ata yetimi kan But I don't understand Hebrew. I don't understand Hebrew. When I was a secretary in Legion of Mary in Roman Catholic, I could say some things in Latin. Dominus Fobicum et cum spiritu tuo. May the Lord be with you and also be with your spirit. We are Latin. I can say, but this doesn't mean that I understand Latin. Meant all the Latin mean kasa meant me you know. What you say? You people are just robots. You can only do what you have been programmed for. That's all. Alidu. So this is another shame to Islam. What you say? We are true telling time now saying you buy a chebe bray. The money you say, somebody me nyambre. You know from the beginning. Ever do this time. Alidu. Nyambotre. You can teach us, but when it comes to the Bible and I say the Quran, what you say? Oh, you crimony, but you don't understand your book. You were a Muslim before you started reading the Quran, but me Quran no answer me say me crimony na. So there's a difference. What you say? Sana adiana yade ekwa koyeti edamo nyina se edamo se enhwe se betimi afa message kakra what you say sister that call am say you are all welcome to TTT Brain at Work. And Mr. Kwesi say greetings big bro yo ida say and greetings my dear brother and CSF family we from Mr. Amano Patrick Ofori Mr. Amano Patrick Ofori oya art design oya die papa otimi art would picture man we draw kama edi amao and Mr. Amano Patrick Ofori Mr. Amano so otimi send on telephone number and ka be me den fat comment your telephone number obi per art worker no contact you na bibi enkoye why ana Mr. Obi Chibi Lamte also Brain at Work Brain at Work ana Mr. Richie's Blow also on 4 days Alidu on 4 days ti as a message kakra ba no de betimi akan yen setan bebre ye de be si ha ye be send komo ekire wa wo send message yen timi ankan so na wo de chen bye Alidu needs money for the work of God. Alidu say yembwa ala na juma si say ala na juma ko fom ti Alidu say yembwa ala Alidu ye program and amount for support with data ye bis amount for support data no na Alidu say ye scammers afraid the Alidu who say Facebook live anya de kitwa nti o say eyin so be ka say amount for wo no betimi nya data no you say they should help the work of Allah na Allah no betimi bo Allah enye mo say o ye all sufficient obi o ye all sufficient eye de na etimi bo na juma Alidu dia wo kan e ko wenum je men for what seven by so me catch you say sa page no the likes of CSF ebegu bisam we your friend saying papa your friend saying sa fire for fireman no obedi amankwa bisa fire for fire part 41 fire for fire part 92 ene owen fire for fire nasa ebusu eda mo nyina se ebe se din komo Yesu fire mpune
we go chop life we go make happy we go the we go chop life we go make high also we go carry but I wanna answer again and in the all of the bad man dey